been taken into custody. Remember, the heinous crime has taken place in the guard room. Now, the guard has been arrested because even after the incident, he did not inform the authorities, he did not raise an alarm, and now he has been arrested. My colleague Pooja is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Pooja, the guard had already been questioned about the security within the college campus, and now in a new twist, the guard has been taken into custody for not revealing any details, despite the guard room being taken for this heinous crime. What are the details?
Well, the Kolkata police has made fourth arrest in connection with the Kolkata gang rape of the first year student of South Calcutta Law College. Remember that yesterday this particular security guard who was on duty at the time of incident was questioned, and today after the second round of questioning, the Kasba police station has now in fact arrested him. Now the grounds of arrest are quite interesting because this particular security guard who has been identified as Pinaki Banerjee, he stood there and he was a key witness while this crime unfolded and was being committed because it took place over a prolonged period of time. The complaint letter itself says that the crime was committed between 7:30 p.m. to 10:50 p.m. So the crime was being committed in a prolonged period of time, and in this prolonged period of time, neither did the security guard raise an alarm, because when he was being asked to go out of the guard room and when the victim was brought from the union room to the guard room, and for several hours together she was illegally confined and gang raped, neither he made any phone calls to the college authorities nor did he raise an alarm, and most importantly he did not try to stop these accused persons from gang raping the victim. So clearly these are the grounds which sources tell us which led to the arrest of the security guard who was on duty at the time of incident. He has been identified as Pinaki Banerjee, and in a short while from now he will also be produced before the court, and this is going to be the fourth arrest in connection with the case.
Okay, all right, Pooja, stay with us. In fact, fresh details have now emerged. The medical examination has been done and it has been accessed by Times Now, but this medical report reveals the brutality the survivor was subjected to. In fact, the hospital sources confirming the survivor has multiple scratch marks and bite marks and injuries to her private part.